Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in the Crypto.com app. First, download the Crypto.com app to your mobile device. Once installed, you'll need to register for an account and complete the identity verification process, which typically involves providing some personal details and a photo ID. After your account is verified, link a payment method such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card to fund your purchases. This setup is crucial for a smooth buying experience. Now that your account is set up, it's time to fund your wallet. Open the Crypto.com app and tap on the Fiat Wallet option. Choose your desired fiat currency, like USD or EUR, and then select your preferred deposit method. You can typically use a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely transfer funds into your Crypto.com Fiat Wallet, ensuring you meet any minimum deposit requirements. With funds in your Fiat Wallet, you're ready to buy crypto. From the app's home screen, tap the prominent Buy button. A list of available cryptocurrencies will appear. Select the one you want to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend or the specific quantity of crypto you want to buy. The app will display the current exchange rate and the total cost. Before finalizing, carefully review all the order details on the confirmation screen, including the cryptocurrency, amount, and total cost. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction using your passcode, fingerprint, or facial recognition, depending on your device's security settings. Your newly purchased cryptocurrency will then be deposited directly into your crypto wallet within the app, usually within moments, ready for you to manage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.